It got punched right here. I have a Honda here with a messed up quarter panel. It got punched right here in the back corner. I am actually going to repair this one. It's going to be a little tricky, but I got to get this edge out first. Once I get this where it's supposed to be, then I should be able to work the rest of this panel right back into shape. Luckily, I do have some access to the worst part of it on the inside, so I'm going to dive into this and start working this metal back into shape. So I just welded a couple tabs to the edge here just to kind of put a little tension on that and bring those spots out. If I tried to hammer the edge anymore from the inside, it would end up just splitting it open. So I'm going to put some steady pressure on it and work that edge out a little more. So I went ahead and I fit this one all together. I wanted to make sure my bumper cover was lining up nice, as well as the taillight, and everything looks good. So I'm going to pull this back apart and get this quarter panel all primed up, and then this one will be ready for paint.